Nature's Garden Tangerine Dreams Fragrance Oil. If you like bright citrus, this scent will make your dreams come true. Freshly squeezed tangerines, orange, grapefruit, and lemon are followed by middle notes of mandarin zests and tamarind. Base notes of thyme and vanilla give a soft, smooth touch to this scent. Our customers create zesty products with this fragrance oil, including dreamy decorative candles, fresh squeezed homemade soaps, bright bath and body products, and invigorating room scents. Check out our free recipes and classes at naturesgardencandles.com. Nature's Garden, your fragrance oil leader.